This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Greer. Beautiful pool home with golf course, lake, and fountain views. This Florence model floor plan has an extended lanai with pool, spa and brick pavers. Natural lighting enhances the bright, light, and airy ambience in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, with a separate dining area, family room, and kitchen breakfast nook. This home hastile on the diagonal, extra internal wiring in place, and central vacuum.The kitchen has granite counters, stainless steel appliances and a baseboard vacuum. There's an electrical outlet already in place for a TV on the lanai and a brand new AC with an extended warranty. Impact glass is throughout the home. Caldecott is a gated cul-de-sac community in Lely Resort. Close to downtown 5th Avenue and 3rd Street in historic Old Naples with sidewalk cafes, shopping, and art galleries. Enjoy the white sand beaches of the Gulf of Mexico or stroll on the NaplesPier for breathtaking sunsets. The award-winning Players Club and Spa is mandatory enjoyment. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Greer at 800-237-8817 extension 1231.